Hello everyone and welcome to a new video of this channel, and today we're going to be talking about a way you can make some money with cryptocurrencies, which is called the crypto airdrops. If you guys are new to this channel, we create content every single day about cryptocurrencies, NFTs, decentralized finance, and digital assets. So if you like our video, go smash the like button. If you want to learn some more information, subscribe to this channel, and if you have any question or anything to say, please let us know in the comment section below. So let's get started. Before we get any further in the principle of airdrops, first of all, I'm going to tell you guys simply what airdrop is all about. So the principle of airdrop is really simple. It's actually the principle of having a new crypto or a new exchange platform coming out. And so a very good way for that platform to get famous and to be able to market itself for free is actually to give away some free cryptocurrency for people to get. The cool fact about that is that it's fully beneficial both to you guys and to the company, since, well, for example, if a company is starting to create its own cryptocurrency, so we're going to take this example. If the JTT token wants to become used and more popular, what they can do is that they can literally give away $50 worth of JTT so that people can get it for free, so that they're not going to be paying anything since they are the one creating the crypto. So they're just going to send it over to your wallet, and they're going to be able to get a lot of people interested in what they do, because they're going to tell you that you can get some more money if you refer that crypto to a friend or to someone you know around you. So the whole thing is about actually getting that crypto to circulate from them to other people's wallet, so that the crypto is going to go up in value. It's going to become more popular. People are going to be talking about it to their friends. They're going to be sharing it on groups and stuff like that. And so that's a very, very effective way to market that whole cryptocurrency thing, the new crypto, without actually having to pay marketing fees or marketing without any marketing costs. So it's actually very efficient for that, and that's an awesome way for them to start announcing and promoting the cryptocurrency. It's also a very cool benefit for you and for us, since we can benefit directly to our wallet in exchange to some informations. We can be one of the people benefiting of it and get $50. Some people make real money out of airdrops. And so there are many ways you can literally get into an airdrop and get paid every single day. But I see you guys coming. This is not some easy making money thing in which you can win every single time you get into an airdrop. And so in today's video, my role is also to tell you guys a little bit about the dangers that exist around crypto airdrops, because it's not always going to be super cool and working out every single time. You guys need to be careful and to be aware of what's happening in airdrops. So today I'm going to show you one case of airdrop, which is, as I said before, the JTT token, so that you guys can have a complete view of how it's done. So first of all you need to do is to follow up the information that are described on the page we're in right now. One cool place to get lots of crypto airdrops is Twitter. You can get lots of airdrops there because it's a place that's very trendy for cryptocurrencies. Another place where you can get some pretty cool airdrop groups is going to be on Telegram, since on Telegram you can get into groups such as Airdrop Inspector. There are lots of groups like that in which you can get in group chats every single day new information about new airdrops. So very, very nice way for you to get into it. But in this case, we're going to take the example of Twitter. So what you need to do is that you're going to click following up the information. So first of all, we're going to get to sign up for us to get the reward. So we're going to click on the link that's on the Twitter account, which is going to send us away to the website of that new cryptocurrency. In this case, it's called the Just token. So the reason why it was called JTT, as you can see, there is a pre-sale event one simple balance that lets you spend, save, and make money at the same time. So pretty nice. If you guys follow us, you know we probably you probably saw our previous videos about auto financing cryptos with shitcoins and lots of projects with dividends. Connect blockchain to the real world. So okay, we got lots of information about it. So in here you are gonna get lots of infos. What you need to do then is sign up, if I'm right. Sign up here and verify your email. So for us to follow up the informations we have here, we need to give away our email. So here I'm gonna get one of my emails, which is gonna let me get into the the website. You need to repeat password. There you go. Have the referral code, which is, in this case, it's optional, but I got this referral code from the Twitter link, which is gonna let me get some free crypto, which is pretty nice. Then all you need to do is sign in. It's gonna send me an email. I can, like get my, I need to put my first name and then last name. Then you finish registration here, and there you go. That's it. I literally got $50 worth of just token on that website. And then I can, simply withdraw that $50, that amount of money. For further info to go, you can also go to another website linked to it, which is called cryptodrops.com. But this is if you want to get some more airdrops, because they usually refer to lots of airdrops. In this case, it is done. Now I can whether stake it, deposit money, or withdraw. And if you guys click on withdraw, you can see that it's, well, I need to verify my email and stuff like that to be able to withdraw these $50 I made on the website. So I'm gonna do that right now so that we can get the possibility to actually take it out and make these $50. But this is a simple way you guys can literally make money with airdrops. Now, one important thing you guys need to keep in mind is the fact that sometimes you're gonna get what's called an airdrop scam, which is usually happening a lot because they know people are gonna give away their informations. They know they have some pretty nice things to to get from you. And so you need to be aware that in a lot of situations, you could be able to, you could get into some troubles because in certain cases, they're going to ask you to send some money. In certain cases, they're going to ask you for some information. And if you don't pay attention to what the website looks like, what the info is all about, you could get scammed by one of these. So this is the main problem about airdrops. One of the reasons why it's not so easy, as I was saying, and it's definitely not easy money to make, because sometimes you can win, like in this situation in which I just made $50, so it's not that bad, and I can later withdraw it, and it's pretty easy. And it's right here, there isn't any scam or anything because it worked out. But in certain cases, you can get into some scams. And in this case, you need to be aware that it could be dangerous too. So you need to pay attention. If they ask you for money, if they ask you to send some BNB to a wallet address so that you can prove your identity or I don't know what, then you need to be aware that this is probably a scam. So today, you can be winning or losing. Both situations are possible, but if you want to be able to make some money with that, I would recommend to always check opinions about it, because if someone got scammed by following up a Twitter account like the one I just showed you guys, they're probably gonna retweet it or do some stuff to say that they got scammed. And so that's important to make sure that you don't get into that. So that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If it's the case, let us know in the comment section below. And if you want to learn some more about cryptos and about all of these things, stay tuned because we're going to be sharing new videos really soon. See you guys.